A tribute to Babuji on his 7th death anniversary.
Sri Gopi Krishan Gupta ji was a man of enormous talents, and his trailblazing endeavors in various fields of his life were not only rich in actions but also in thoughts. The varied facets of his life, his significant contribution to the cause of education and culture represent an example to us. He was a great humanist and philanthropist. The simplicity of his life and the sincerity of his devotion to the service of humanity won him many laurels. Under his guidance, much was done for education at all the levels. His vision and entrepreneurial acumen has left an indelible mark in the history of socially beneficial.
परम श्रद्धेय श्री गोपी बाबूजी के चरणों में शत शत नमन करते हुए गीता का श्लोक प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूं। त्वमादिदेवः पुरुषः पुराणा त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानम् वेत्तासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततं विश्वमनन्तरूप त्वया ततं विश्वमनन्तरूप। अर्थात आप आदिदेव सनातन पुरुष तथा इस दृश्य जगत के परम आश्रय हैं। आप सब कुछ जानने वाले हैं और आप ही वह सब कुछ हैं जो जानने योग्य हैं। आप भौतिक गुणों से परे परम आश्रय हैं। हे अनंत रूप, यह संपूर्ण दृश्य जगत आपसे ही व्याप्त है।
Now we have our respected Principal Ma'am remembering Babuji on his 7th death anniversary.
Today is 7th Remembrance Day of our founder. It is time to reflect on his school's past and those that helped to shape who we are, and to acknowledge the community members, both past and present, who have influenced the character and values that embody the vibrant, engaging, and safe environment we see today. It is an opportunity to laugh, cry, remember, and to provide the memories of this wonderful school. The school also used the service to reflect and thank its founder, foundation members, staff, and consider those students' parents who have been at our school from beginning. Those who once required gumboots to tread tough sand and swamp to get to classrooms, who now walk amongst fresh, open, landscaped and modern facilities. In a school that upholds the highest of standards, our founder, late Sri Gopi Kishan Gupta ji, who was famous as Babuji among all of us, who was also a visionary and humanist in everything he did. He espoused the cause of upliftment of needy in society, a florescence of child education that showed the rich diversity of humanity. In every direction he left an indelible mark. Other than the purpose, a lot has changed over the years, and Mantora Public School is a much bigger and a much better school in many ways. Babuji's dream that Mantora Public School should be a place where children are inspired to learn and where they thrive as individuals, a place where students study to become good human beings who will make the world a better place to live in. We all are committed to do as wished by him. I, as principal and having 18 years of experience in education field, always felt that investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. and human mind is the best source that could be empowered with access to quality education. Live, learn, love and progress. That is the motto of our school. Children grow in the image of those whom they love, and therefore we train them, knowing fully well that education is only drawing out what is already in the student, while we try to provide a suitable environment for children to grow. My request to the parents who are listening me today is to ensure that they too provide a congenial atmosphere at home for their ward study, progress and imbibe the strength to face the challenges that they may unfold in life. Thanking you all for listening me.
अब हमारी उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदया श्रीमती अन्नपूर्णा द्विवेदी जी बाबूजी के जीवन से हमें परिचित कराएंगी।
नमस्कार, मैं अन्नपूर्णा द्विवेदी आज मंटोरा पब्लिक स्कूल के संस्थापक स्वर्गीय श्री गोपी किशन गुप्त जी की 7वीं पुण्यतिथि पर अपने कुछ विचार लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। स्वर्गीय श्री गोपी किशन गुप्त जी का जन्म 23 अप्रैल सन 1923 को पंचकूचा जनरलगंज मोहल्ले में स्थित एक मकान में हुआ। आपकी प्रारंभिक शिक्षा प्रतिष्ठित मारवाड़ी विद्यालय में हुई। कहते हैं पूत के पांव पालने में नजर आने लगते हैं। इसी लोकोक्ति को चरितार्थ करते हुए आपने सन 1940 में हाई स्कूल में प्रथम श्रेणी व गणित में विशेष योग्यता प्राप्त की। आपका विवाह लक्ष्मी देवी जी से हुआ, जो अत्यंत धर्मपरायण व आज्ञाकारी थी। स्वर्गीय श्री गोपी किशन जी को लोग प्यार से बाबूजी कहते थे। स्वर्गीय श्री गोपी किशन जी ने अपनी सूझबूझ से अपने व्यापार को अच्छी स्थिति में लाकर खड़ा किया। किराना व्यवसाय की सुप्रसिद्ध फर्म लीलाधर राम सुखदास की शताब्दी जयंती समारोह सन 1979 में संपन्न होने के पश्चात आपने वनस्पति व्यापार में कदम बढ़ाए। इसमें अपार सफलता प्राप्त करते हुए आपने अपने स्वयं का उत्पादन बावर्ची वनस्पति के नाम से मंटोरा ऑयल प्रोडक्ट, जो आज भी सफलतापूर्वक चल रहा है और देश के औद्योगिक क्षेत्र में प्रवेश कर नगर में उच्च स्थान बना चुका है तथा वनस्पति जगत में अपनी गुणवत्ता एवं शुद्धता के लिए अत्यधिक लोकप्रिय जाना जाता है। समाज में परोपकार की आदर्श भावना से वशीभूत हो सन 1981 में श्री गोपी किशन गुप्त जी ने ओमर वैश्य धर्मदा ट्रस्ट की स्थापना की। परोपकार की भावना से ओतप्रोत हो जुलाई 1997 को आपने मंटोरा स्कूल का भूमि पूजन एवं निर्माण शुरू कराया, जिसका लाभ नगरवासी एवं छात्र छात्राएं प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। आपने माल रोड में गोपी गेस्ट हाउस की भी स्थापना की। इस प्रकार जीवन के प्रत्येक क्षण को प्रभावी बनाते हुए 7 अगस्त 1913 को आपका शरीर 5 तत्वों में विलीन हो गया। बाबूजी की मृत्यु के पश्चात उनके उत्तराधिकारियों ने अपने कार्य में उन्नति कर यह साबित कर दिया कि वे भी बाबूजी की ही भांति कठोर परिश्रमी, दयालु, परोपकारी व बहुमुखी प्रतिभा के धनी हैं। आज बाबूजी प्रत्यक्ष रूप से तो हमारे समक्ष नहीं है, लेकिन अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से उनका आशीर्वाद मंटोरा परिवार पर बना रहता है, जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप यह परिवार पल्लवित पुष्पित होते हुए शनैः शनैः उन्नति के शिखर पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। ऐसी उदार परम शुद्ध आत्मा को मंटोरा परिवार कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करता है, कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करता है। धन्यवाद।
Now we have a song presentation by Pulkit.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे थी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह.
A tribute to Babuji by our academic coordinator.
A hearty and warm good morning to all of you. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what about the difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead. Today, I, Rashmi Mishra, the academic coordinator of the Mandara Public School, would like to pay a tribute to our Honorable Babuji. Babuji is an epitome of love and sacrifice. He believed in the spirit and ethics of Indian culture, that is, Seva Parmo Dharma. His prime objective was to serve the nation by providing quality education, promoting communal harmony, and extending value-based structural institution to the society. Today, we the Mandorians are paying homage to our reverend Babuji by taking a vow to fulfill his dream of overall development of the school, students and the society. We promise to fulfill his dream by taking the institution to the cloud 9 years after years. I pray that our Reverend Babuji should enlighten our path always and bestow his blessings on us.
Now, let's hear a beautiful speech by Prakansha Pal.
Good morning to the highest dignitaries, teachers, and all my dear friends of Mandora Public School. As the second decade of millennium is on runway, Mandora Public School commemorates the death anniversary of a distinguished personality, late Sri Gopi Chandra Gupta ji, today on 7th of August. His Excellency, who laid foundation for the children education miracle, Mandora Public School, in 1997, departed to heavenly abode, leaving everyone bereft. The form of grief will change over time, but that empty place will always be there. Sri Gopi Krishna Gupta ji was lovingly called Babuji. He was a genuine person. He actually lived and he deserved to be remembered, cherished and honored. His life impacted many people in many ways, since he bridged the gap between literacy and ignorance. It is healthy to acknowledge his valuable contribution to the academics. The day, though coupled with the feeling of his demise on 7th August dating back to 2013, simultaneously posing with enthusiasm and vibrancy as we are remembering the founder dignitary today in the calendar of Mandora Public School Foundation. Babuji defined that a teacher is someone solely confined to the four walls of a classroom. Actually, it's quite the contrary. Teacher is the sum total of wisdom, experiences, kindness, discipline and compassion, an intellectual and spiritual guide. Teacher mentors their students with the purest intention of seeing them spread their wings and take to the skies. Mandora Public School is the brainchild of late Sri Gopi Krishna Gupta ji, had its roots deep in the core values of the foundation. The goal is to achieve academic excellence along with fine moral character, self-esteem, well-rounded and healthy living. Mandora Public School has been striving hard to raise to perfection and has been doing a good job. The initiative taken by revered Babuji is our leading with flying colors to Mentora Public School. Here are some soul-strung words dedicated to revered Babuji, one who had the tidal waves of compassion in heart, who himself was an avatar of humanity, who contributed amazed wealth of knowledge to blooming words. We have deep eternal gratitude for him in our hearts. We owe our ways to him. Thank you and have a nice day.
मेरा नाम भूमिका भारद्वाज है। मैं कक्षा 7 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं एक भजन प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। जग में साचो तेरो नाम, तू ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम। Our school has always played a pivotal role in modeling us such that we may live up to the expectations of our parents, teachers, society, and the world at large.
We are in habit of saying no, but in my school, I learned must hate no as an answer because no means next opportunity. I miss my school.
The school was started with the sole intention of providing quality education to students staying in this area bordering the outskirts of the city. My school is so good. It provides me home-like atmosphere. I study, I chat, have fun. Never find my school stressful. Thank you.
I learn a day if you fail. Never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Yes, I do. Thank you.
जाएगा माटी के मोर, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोर, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। तुझे के होठों को लेकर अपने की कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोर। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोर, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला।
Fortunate that God blessed us with such a great personality. Words are not enough to express his kindness and greatness. His vision, dreams, and values will always remain as our guiding principle. The great soul departed, but the memories shall never fade.